Migrants from Bihar and eastern Uttar Pradesh are called Purvanchalis. There are reportedly 40 lakh voters from the region and the population in Delhi is pegged at 70 lakh. They played a big role in the 2014 polls and this time in the assembly polls too. Every party is leaving no stone unturned to woo the section of society. This time on a large chunk of the Purvanchal population is supporting AAP, but even BJP and Congress claim they have done their bit for the community. Job opportunities often bring migrant laborers from neighboring states to Delhi. This in turn has increased the population of Purvanchalis manifold. Political parties are making specific poll promises to woo them. There are about 20 assembly segments which are dominated by Purvanchali voters, the most prominent ones being Burari, Vikaspuri, Dwarka, Gokalpuri, Karawal, Padparganj, Lakshmi Nagar, Sangam Vihar, Uttam Nagar and Deoli among others. If BJP has given 3 tickets to Purvanchalis, then Congress has given 2 tickets. But AAP leads the pack with 10 of the 20 constituencies. Not surprisingly, Sanjay Singh of the AAP spelled out in a press conference that they were well in touch with the people of Purvanchal and getting good support in return.
पूर्वांचल के कई संगठनों ने पिछले दिनों पार्टी से संपर्क किया है और उन लोगों ने चुनाव में पूरी मदद का, सहयोग का भरोसा दिया है, क्योंकि दिल्ली के अंदर पूर्वांचल के मतदाताओं की एक भारी संख्या है, लेकिन प्रतिनिधित्व के नाम पर कांग्रेस पार्टी और बीजेपी ने 2-2, 3-3 टिकट दिए हैं, जबकि आम आदमी पार्टी ने 10 टिकट पूर्वांचल के लोगों को दिया है दिल्ली में.
In Delhi, there are 20 assembly seats in city where 10 to 47% of voters are from Purvanchal. BJP interestingly won 14 of these seats in the last assembly election held in December 2013 and lost 5. While Purvanchalis have pledged support to AAP, they are miffed with the BJP and the Congress. On one hand, there are those who allege both parties have deliberately denied tickets to Purvanchali candidates, but former Chief Minister of Delhi, Sheila Dikshit, rubbishes the charge. She claims that it is Congress which has been all-inclusive in approach and given Purvanchalis their due.
No, well, we are the ones who've always given the Purvanchali. Mr. Mahabal Mishra was the first member of parliament from Purvanchal to become a member of parliament. Otherwise also, we are the first ones who gave Chhath Puja a holiday. And BJP, of course, in its typical style, takes away the credit for itself. But we are the ones who recognized Chhath Puja, otherwise it was not even known in Delhi. So, with all due respect to not only the Purvanchalis, but also to those who come from other states, the Keralites and others, Tamilians, everybody. And Delhi is a mini India, so you have to cater to everybody, and Congress has always done this.
Recently, at a rally at Dwarka, Modi trained his guns on both AAP and Congress when he said that AAP and Congress forged friendship behind the curtains. He said the bitter truth, however, was that both parties were competing in spreading cornards. Modi in Dwarka went on to say that he identified himself as a man from Purvanchal. Days later, at Bhavana, speaking to a gathering, former Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar and saffron man Sushil Kumar Modi said that people should not forget Modi turned Chhath Puja into a holiday.
पूर्वांचल के भाइयों से उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़ के जो मेरे भाई हैं, उनसे मैं अपील करना चाहूँगा कि आप मेरे पूर्वांचल के बहन और भाइयों, हम बिहार में आपकी चिंता करेंगे, हम उत्तर प्रदेश में आपकी चिंता करेंगे, आप दिल्ली में हमारी चिंता कीजिए. छठ के मौके पर पहली बार अगर छुट्टी की घोषणा हुई तो नरेंद्र मोदी की सरकार ने छठ के मौके पर दिल्ली में बिहार, यूपी के लोगों को और छुट्टी देने का ऐलान किया था.
For Narendra Modi, though the bottom line is true victory will be the 2/3 majority this election.
दिल्ली की जनता को बुरा लगा, उनको अपने आप पर बुरा लगा. अरे हम बीजेपी वालों के 5 सीट ज्यादा दे देते तो उनकी सरकार बन जाती. ये जो कमी रह गई, उसकी कसक दिल्ली के दिल में रह गई. और जब लोकसभा का चुनाव आया तो ये दिल्ली की जनता ने उकसक को ब्याज समेत समाप्त कर दिया और सातों दिल्ली में लोकसभा की सीटें दे दी और भारी बहुमत से दे दी। जिस प्रकार से दिल्ली की जनता ने विधानसभा के चुनाव में कमी रह गई थी, उस कमी को पूरा करने के लिए लोकसभा के चुनाव में ताकत दिखा दी।